Greetings, gratitude growers. Greetings to you, my fellow followers of the gratitude mindset. Cultivating that mindset, cultivating that attitude of gratitude, right? Greetings to you, my friend. Before I push this button, I took a big breath, and I welcome you to do the same with me. Thank you. Do you hear that, my friend? Maybe you can't hear that through these headphones, but right now, I am listening to the sounds around me, the sounds of nature. And today, I am so grateful for nature. Something that has done me well, done my body good over the years, where I used to, and I still do to this day, climb trees. And I would climb high in the tree, like think Mowgli from the Jungle Book, right? And I didn't know what I was doing. I just knew that I enjoyed it. I just knew that I loved it. I just knew that for some reason I got excited climbing these trees. And later on I found that trees have a certain energy about them. And perhaps that was what I was drawn to. That energy of silence, that energy of stillness, that nature energy that was growing me from without and within. When's the last time you took the time to enjoy nature's energy? Have you had your nature dosage, my friend? We all know that we can get bombarded by technology, the goings-on of the day, so many devices, right? In this digital age of technology. But when are we taking time to appreciate the things that are around us in abundance? Trees, the birds, the animals, the insects, the bees, the wind, the air, our lungs, our breath, the oxygen that these trees give off every day, allowing us to breathe in an environment that cultivates life. May we be ever grateful and ever thankful for the mysteries of nature, for the gift of nature, for the precious present moment that I believe can be found in nature. When you just listen. And I love how Earl says it. I love this. How when we rearrange the letters in the word listen, it spells silence. When you are silent, great things can happen, my friend. Great things that you will come to be grateful for. May you be ever thankful for the things that cost us nothing, the things that we sometimes take for granted, but the things that are all around us. Nature, my friend. Thank you for taking this time with me as we appreciate nature and all it has to give us. Be well, my friend. Be blessed. Be prosperous. Be productive, but be at peace. And take time to enjoy all that life and this big green and blue planet has to offer. Till next time, my friend, this has been day 8 of the Gratitude Mindset, 30 Days of Gratitude. Join me tomorrow for day 9.